Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial by me, Navid Husseini from hyperpix.net. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use with this template a casino theme. Without any special knowledge in Photoshop, you can just do this in less than 5 minutes. If you want to download this, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get this and hundreds of other text styles for your next project. Okay, to do this, let's go to double click on the yellow layer and choose edit content. There we go. Okay, choose this, do the same thing and you edit content. Okay, double click on the text and write what you want. I'm gonna write casino here. Okay, I'm gonna select it, and from here I can modify it a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna modify the height of the text. Okay, I think it's good, isn't it? Okay, from the these layers we got total control on the wave on the text, as you can see here. All you gotta do is just to drag and drop, and also choose Control T to modify the size of it. This top part has to be leveled with the top of your text, and the bottom layer is that shadow at the end of the text. Use Control T to put it on your text. I think it's good. I'm gonna close it and it will be saved. Okay, in the new window, as you can see, our text is applied. Also, I'm doing the same thing. There we go. Boom. As you can see, our text style has been applied to this text, and I think it's good. If you want to design this, actually it will take you hours, but all you can do is to just do a little clicks and you got your design. Okay, let's go to effects layer and turn off the extrusion so that we can boost our speed in editing. Okay, we're gonna come back here and we'll activate it later. Okay, first layer was the main text, but the next layer is adjustment of colors and lighting. Okay, go to color brightness contrast folder and you can modify the variables here and change their colors. As you can see, it depends on your color theme, and as you can see, it's amazing. Okay, the same goes for the rest of them. Okay, there's a vignette shadow here, as you can see, inside of the text. You can control the opacity inside it. Next one is a noise. Look, as you can see, we got a little noise for vintage look. You can choose either noise on or off, but keep that in mind that one of these has to be on. Okay, next folder is a smoke folder. As you can see, there's a little bit of smoke effect, as you can see. Yeah. Next one is there's a little bit of tiny text here. You can write whatever you want. There it is. Next one, you can go to another text. A double click is all you gotta do to change it, and write whatever you want. You can also change the size of it with a Control T. Okay. Next one, we go with the sparkle layers. As you can see, we got the sparkly circles. We're gonna put them on the edges of our text. As you can see, our sparkles are going to get at the edge of our texts. Okay, sparkles are where they has to be. You can also delete them. Just choose them. Okay, next one is effects folder. Now, you see, it's the main styles. let's just don't touch this. Next one is sign. As you can see, there is a big sign behind the text. It's got two parts, okay, lamps and the main sign. You can also remove these lights, or you can modify the size or coloring of them. Okay, everything is obvious. The next one is these rates and lights folder. As you can see, you can also change the opacity, and as you can see, there's a lighting behind the text. You can also change its color. See, depends on your color theme. Okay, we're done with this template. Actually, let's come back to extrusion and let's wait for the result. Boom, the 3D design kicks in and we got our text style in just less than 6 minutes. As you can see, if you want to download this template, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get this and hundreds of other text styles, and go for premium and you will get them all. Okay, keep that in mind. You can get weekly contents and weekly new styles like this. All you gotta do is just go there in premium. Thanks for watching.